Are you looking for a great side gig? Well, let me tell you about how pressure washing can be a great side gig for you. At Powerwash.com, we have the Weekend Warrior package. It's probably the most economical way to get into your side gig and start making money tomorrow. It has everything you need in a commercial grade status to get your business going. You've got commercial grade pressure washer, 4,000 PSI, 4 gallons a minute. The difference between a commercial grade pressure washer and a pressure washer you can get at Home Depot and Lowe's, which is more of a residential grade pressure washer, is the size of the pump. And in this case, size matters. These pumps and this rig is meant to last for thousands of work hours. Your residential grade pressure washing unit is really meant to last 800 to 1,000 work hours. And then you have to replace it or fix parts on it. You maintain this thing will grow with your business. It'll be on your truck when you have a fleet of trucks, and it'll still be working for you. What else do you get in the Weekend Warrior package? You get a starting set of chemicals, because you do need chemicals when you're pressure washing. You also get your hose. You get a wand, a gun, a lance, whatever you want to call it, you get it. You get your tips that's needed. You get an X-Jet M5 downstream injecting kit. And that is really cool because you can actually make small batches of your cleaning chemicals and apply it directly to the house right there at the gun. You also get a downstream injecting pickup so that you could use a bigger bucket and run it right after your pump all the way down your chemicals. This is awesome. You don't need to use both at the same time, but some of this gets technical. One of the greatest parts of the Weekend Warrior package is it includes training. You get access to Power Wash Academy's Pressure Washing 101 online training that'll teach you more than you really wanted to know about pressure washing and the business of pressure washing. Also, the #1 question asked is, how much do I charge for this service? You will get access to a free training class put on by Michael Hinderleiter and Kurt Kempton, two OGs in this industry, that will teach you all about pricing, and you get a free tool that you could put in all your business information, your costs and everything, and ensure that when you price a job, you're gonna make some profit. It's priceless. You need it. Sign up today. Get your Weekend Warrior package. Start making money tomorrow.